Staros is the ultimate evolution of the Housemarque gameplay first experience. It's a new single-player IP that builds on Returnal's award-winning third-person action.
Days Gone Remastered, the definitive version of Bend Studios' post-apocalyptic, open-world epic, comes to PS5 with VRR support and PS5 Pro support.
大家好，我是《输入之魂》的创作者杨冰。《输入之魂》结合了流畅爽快的战斗体验与丰富多样的世界设计。
Borderlands 4 launches worldwide for everyone on September 23rd, 2025. We got work to do.
Mind's Eye, set in the fictional city of Red Rock, where AI and human greed collide to bring Earth to the precipice of collapse.
無料タイトルアップデート第1弾の追加モンスターとして玉三つが決定いたしました。